Hi everyone! In this lesson, we are going to talk about the sounds of language and enhance our pronunciation of a few critical vowels and consonant sounds, diphthongs, blends, and glides. But first, let us have some short description of the terms that I have just mentioned. Phonetics is the study of the sounds of language. These sounds are called phonemes. Diphthongs are double vowels involved of glides. You can hear the Y in bite and boy and the W in cow. Semivowels are sounds that are very nearly vowels. In English, we have W and Y, which you can see are a lot like vowels such as woo and ye, but with the lips almost closed for W and the tongue almost touching the palate for Y. They are also called glides since they normally glide into or out of vowel positions. Consonant blend is a sequence of 2 or 3 consonants, each of which is heard. Examples: sh and ch. Now read after me and enhance your pronunciation of a few critical vowel and consonant sounds, diphthongs, blends, and glides. Native, brief, indigenous, it, live, wisdom, country, folklore, proverbs, rhyme, ancestors, literature, Spanish, treasure. Brief instructive expression. To learn our indigenous language. Of the native spirit. The wit of one. Lived by simple rules. Of folk literature. Ancestors' wisdom. The wit of one. Cultural treasures. Brief instructive expression. How proverbs formed part of the native spirit, which are referred to by some scholars as the wisdom of many. Truths about life and the complexity of living. That are witty expressions that reveal our ancestors' wisdom because they have rhyme. Proverbs are brief instructive expressions that express a specific action, behavior, or judgment. Our proverbs are not only witty expressions, they are also our cultural treasures.
Great job! You can just replay this video if you want to have more practice. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!